Hey guys, how you doing? Farace here. We're going through a quick tutorial today in Lightroom. This is an easy way to color grade your photos in orange or teal using the color calibration sliders in Lightroom. It'll only take a minute, but if you want to see a more in-depth overview of the color calibration tool, check out my buddy Howard Grill. I'll link to his video in the description he just put out, and it's a great overview of that with much more depth. So anyway, if you just want to get an orange and teal color grade, let's jump into Lightroom and get started. Alright, hey guys, we're in here in Lightroom. This is an example image I took a couple weeks ago. Pretty simple, but I like the moving water. A few basic adjustments, just a little exposure bump, brought the blacks down, and a tiny bit of clarity. But other than that, it's pretty much out of camera. So I'll show you how to do this orange and teal color grade. It's only one slider, pretty easy. So what you're gonna do is scroll all the way down to this calibration module here, which is the color calibration tool. And we're gonna take this blue primary hue and slide it over to the left. There you go. How easy is that? And if this gets a little too maybe red for you, you can play with the red primary too. Go back a little orange, but I actually kind of prefer it with that red tone. So we'll leave that there. And then you can come up here to the HSL sliders if you'd like and play with the blues and oranges. Take that a little more, deeper blue or a little more teal, however you like it. Pretty simple technique. It's a great starting point, and then you can take it from there. And yeah, like I said, if you want to check out a more in-depth overview of the color calibration, I will link to Howard Grill's video he just released a few days ago. It's a great, more in-depth explanation of everything. I appreciate you guys watching, and we'll see you next time.